Hi, this is Jonna with Bees Knees SVG, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous teen approved ornament. It's the perfect ornament for hanging on the tree or tying on top of a gift, and it's very simple and easy. So you want to start with an ornament, and I have a plastic one that is fairly flat, one of the disc-shaped ones. I've painted the inside white. You can leave it clear or you can paint it whatever color you want. I'm going to go ahead and link a video up above of a quick tutorial showing you how to paint these if that is what you want to do. So start with your ornament. You will need a cute little 2-inch letter. This one is self-adhesive on the back. So we'll put that aside because that'll be our finishing touch. And then to decorate it, you'll need what I call a scrap ribbon bow. So we're not actually going to tie anything today, which is fantastic because I always, takes me a while to get those bows looking nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take some random leftover scraps of ribbon that you have. And I will link all of these pieces of ribbon down below because even though it looks like they're just kind of randomly thrown together, you know, there is some thought behind it, but you know, whatever scraps that you have left over in your ribbon at home, this is the perfect way to use them up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my whitest ribbon first. It's a nice pretty gauzy one, and I'm going to lay that on the bottom, and then I'm going to layer that over top. And then I have these cute little accent ribbons, and I'm just going to layer those on top like that. And now that we have them all, we're going to take them and we're just going to slide them through the ornament. Now this is pretty easy, except this little ball ribbon that I have, you just have to pop him through, but he does fit, so you have to pull him through one at a time and then slide until you get to the middle. And also whatever length you want to cut these is absolutely fine if you want it to hang over your ornament or if you just want it shorter, whatever works for the look that you're going for. So I kind of like the hanging over a little bit, but I'm going to trim these ends up. So once it's through, then just you can go ahead and rearrange and make sure everything is laying exactly how you want it. And I'm happy with how mine looks. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this cute little flower charm that I bought and a jump ring. I'm going to put it in there, and then I am just going to hook that around and close that off with my tweezers. Then you have a little charm at the top with your ribbon, and then the finishing touch is adding your little letter. So this letter is great because no glue needed. You just peel off the backing. And this is the important part. Make sure it's lined up right where you want it to be. And then you just stick it on like a little sticker. And it's as easy as that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, fun tutorials.